I think next question for Ashik. So what are promises in JavaScript and how do they differ from callbacks?
Yeah, promises is a very good question because promises is one of the main thing that we actually use in our backend API automation. Actually, what promise does, it represents the eventual completion or a failure of an asynchronous operation and its resulting value providing a cleaner way to handle asynchronous code compared to callbacks. In my the backend API automation, I used a promise a lot because it helps me to manage asynchronous API calls more effectively. For an example, I chained a request with dot then method and then dot catch methods to handle API response and errors in a readable manner, ensuring that each step is the test sequence was executed only after the previous promise was resolved. This approach simplified error handling and made the test case more maintainable compared to the using the nested the callbacks.
Got it. So in Java, it is kind of the different. Okay,
Yes.
understood. It's kind of the dependent. The one is the next is dependent on the previous one. Okay, got it.